Welcome, today in front of me DOOGEE S86 PRO, and I'll show you how to enable or disable NFC on this device. So first you should go into the settings application, and after that click here to the hotspot and tethering section. Here you'll see the NFC switcher. Now just to activate the NFC you should click here once on the switcher, and now as you can see that NFC is activated successfully. If you want to turn it off you should click here once again on the NFC switcher, and that's it. Also we have the second way how we can do that. Just first open the top bar, and somewhere here you should find the NFC icon. In my case, as can you see, it's here. Now just to activate NFC you should click here only once on the NFC icon, and that's it. And just to turn it off, click here once again on the NFC icon, and that's it. That's how it looks. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.